Thought we'd take a look at my shop truck. It's a 1997 Dodge Dually 1-ton sport model. If you're asking yourself, I didn't think they made a sport model, you'd be correct, but I made it one. It's got that deep front bumper and smaller grille. Blacked out all of the marker lights, headlights, tail lights, even on top of the cab. Aluminum wheels, as you can see, with Michelin tires all the way around. On the rear, I have a very rare Firestone hydraulic shackle, which makes it ride much, much better for a big 1-ton truck. That along with Bilstein Shocks that we've put on just about everything. To try to make it a little more custom, it's got tinted windows as well. And the hitch is a special hitch that tucks way up underneath there so it doesn't drag down. Overall, great truck. Let's see the engine. Engine compartment's been heavily modified. You see a Mishimoto transmission cooler over on the right-hand side, and then behind the AC condenser is a giant Mishimoto intercooler. That intercooler is for the upgraded turbocharger, upgraded exhaust manifold, Banks intake, and then out of the intercooler we go to a Banks twin ram. The pump's been heavily modified, and internal engine is basically stock, but this thing runs like a scalded cat for a multi-ton truck. Interior is pretty basic. It's got something very rare in this era of Dodge, is that it's got a dashboard. For some reason, the factory trucks, the dash just disintegrated. This one has not. I've got a cover on it because it's not perfect, but pretty much. Some different gauges, boost, exhaust temperature, transmission temperature, tack, everything on in this one. That little Banks power on the left-hand side makes all the difference. Even have an Alpine Stereo like I have in just about everything. Up back you can see the 5-inch exhaust. That has two 5-inch straight-through mufflers to really keep it decently quiet. Finned aluminum rear cover hides 411 gears and a positive traction, and you see that hidden hitch up there.